children, good morning. Happy New Year to you and your family. So last year 2020 was very miserable year for all the people. As a children, you lost your academic year. At the same time, your parents also face a lot of problems in economically and healthily. And this year, all the problems and difficulties and hurdles, negativities should go away, and by God's grace, 2021 brings you happy and prosperous, healthy, wealthy and joyful days throughout the year. Again, I am wishing you Happy New Year to you and your family. So generally on New Year Day, what will you do? So you meet your friends, elders, neighbors and relatives, offer different gifts and cards, flower bouquets, fruits, isn't it? So today we are going to teach you how to make a flower bouquet and a small chocolate box. Okay children, are you ready to learn? But one thing you should remember, as especially for the primary children, you should not do this activity without help of your parents. Okay, when you are doing this activity, compulsory your parents should be beside of you. Okay children, and don't use sharp things, scissors, blades and knives also. Okay, ask your parents to cut the papers, just you stick it. Okay, are you ready?
So good morning children. So today New Year, we are going to prepare one chocolate box. So every New Year we will be celebrating by distributing all the greeting cards and chocolates to your friends. So today we have prepared one chocolate explosion box where you can see all the chocolates like this. So this is very interesting craft work. So let us start. What are the materials required? We will see what. So let us see the materials required to prepare this chocolate explosion box. So I have taken one pink thick cardboard sheet, and along with this we need one glitter sheet also, scissors, scale, gum and one pencil. Okay, so how to prepare this chocolate explosion box, let us see. So I have taken 12 inches, measure the cardboard sheet and take 12 inches. So all the sides, 4 sides should be 12 inches, and divide this 12 inches into 3 different parts. So you will get each one 4 inches boxes. So totally you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. So among all these 9 boxes, towards the edges of this, you draw the diagonals. Draw the diagonals of the edges boxes, square boxes. And now you draw the petals, shape of the petals of the flower, so that it can be folded easily. For all the 4 boxes we have to draw the shape of the petals. So I have taken all the 4 petals. Now what you have to do is, with the help of the scissors, just put the scale there and just mark the scars so that it can be folded easily. Mark the scars. So now if you see, you can easily fold this without any difficulty. So we have to see all the foldings whether they are coming good or not, and also we have drawn the diagonals. Just make the scars for these also. that now this can be folded. So all the 4 we have marked and started. So with the help of the scissors, now what we have to do? We have to cut the shape of the petals which you have drawn. So like this you have to cut all the 4 sides. So we have cut all the petals shape. Now what we have to do is take a rough paper of the box size and draw the shape and just see whether it is of the same size or not. So later we have to take a small size of this and we have to apply the gum and we have to paste so that you can see the color combination clearly. So now paste. Any shape you can take, but this will be looking nice. And it can be folded easily in the middle. So now what we have to do, we have to paste all these 4 towards the 4 sides. Interior decoration we are doing for this box. So how many sizes you stick, you can do that. And also I have taken the same color again in order to stick them on yellow color shape. With the help of this gum, just stick them inside and see the margins should be straight so that when you fold them you should not get any difficulty to fold that. So now we have sticked all the side parts. Decoration is over. So in order to get the stiffness, what we have to do, we have to take the same size of the same color chart and just apply the gum towards the edges and then stick it of the same size. So we'll be sticking chocolates on this at last. All the four sides we have to do like this. So you have to stick to all this, and in the middle also you have to paste one card of the same square. So in the middle, if you want, you can decorate it. So I have taken one silver glitter sheet, and I have made some shapes. So by which I am decorating that. Small size. Take one small size, paste it in the middle. So I have cut separately the petals, which I am going to stick now. So you will be having one flower shape inside, so that when the box is open, you will be having very nice flower inside in the middle. So now we have the flower in the middle, and just leave it to dry. Leave it to dry, and now what we have to do is we have see the preparation of the lid. So I have taken for the lid another sheet of 15 centimeters. All the four sides should be of 15 centimeters, and leave 2.5 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters on four sides, and just mark it. And with the help of the scissors, again what you have to do is just do the scars on it, so that it can be folded easily. Yes, it can be folded easily without any difficulty. You can do it. So with the help of the scissors, just cut the edges here. You will be having one square shape at the ends. So on two sides, just do the cutting. Don't cut the full one. In order to fold it, just we will cut the edges. So now we have like this on four sides. Okay. So what you have to do is just fold them and put the stapler pin, so that, or just stick it with the help of the gum. Okay. So when you stick this, your lid will be prepared for that box. In order to decorate this, so first of all we will do the decoration. So I have taken the glitter sheet, and I made one nice stripes of it, so that I will now stick it here. Any color you can take, whatever the colors are available for you, you can take, and you can make different shapes in order to decorate your box. on 4 sides. And in the middle, just stick the big ones. Okay, so now your box is ready. Now what you have to do is insert, put it like this and do the stapler pin. So now what we have to do is just put it like this and do one. Do the pin, again fold it inside and do the pin this side. So we have prepared our box lid ready. Now what we have to do is just stick all the chocolates whatever you have here. So I have already have prepared one. You can see this. With the help of the tape or double tape, you can stick all the chocolates inside and just fold the symbols like this inside. I will show it this. So how you have to prepare this and show it, and what you have to do is you have to close the box with the help of this. So here, after sticking the chocolates, just already we have kept the scars, so when you fold this easily it will be done. Okay, so this is how you will just, after sticking the chocolates, what you have to do at the end, you have to close the box, and at last we have prepared. So in order to decorate fully, still you can prepare some more. Take any shape of this and get it sticked, the glitter sheet. Just stick this. So now we have prepared this, and also at the top you can, if you want, you can just do the decoration or put some flower. With the help of this satin ribbon, you can prepare the decorate it, and your chocolate box is ready now. Children, this is your chocolate box ready. So here you can see your chocolates, and we wish you all Happy New Year.
Okay children, now I am going to explain how to make flower book. First, rose flowers. Before starting how to make a preparation, what are the materials need, first we should know. For making the flowers we need yellow color paper for leaves and stem, green color paper we need, and for making bouquet, for back side support, red color paper, and for tying silk thread, and for sticking tape, for cutting the scissors and gum. That's all, these materials enough. Okay, now how to make the flowers. See how to make the flowers. First take yellow color sheet and round shape, any one you can take. First to make circles. we need 6 circles. Okay children, like this. First we draw circle on yellow color paper, then cut circles. Okay children, like this, all papers in round circle, you have to cut it. Letter C in between, you have to fold like this. It should be visible like half circle. Okay, center we should fold it. Letter, again one more fold. Okay, it should be triangle shape. Then you have to fold like this in opposite direction. So here, like this. Okay children, like this we should fold all the papers. Okay children, now like this all the circles we should fold it. Letter, end of the circle, just we have to draw like this curved line. Drawn curved line in you. Through curved line we should cut the paper. Like this all the papers through the curved line, cut it. Okay children, these, then open one by one. Like this it is flower shape. Then fold it a little back side. With pencil also we can fold. Okay children, like this, end of the petals, just a little bit you have to fold. Okay, like this all flowers are ready. Then so again fold like this and cut corner. Only one flower, no need to cut for all. Okay, base, this is the last one, petal. One fold we should cut it. For under one, two folds. Next, 3 folds. Next, off. Okay. Now take gum and first one fold cut it, then apply gum. gum back side of the flower. Like this. And then 2 petals. Like this. Back side apply gum. Keep inside. Okay children, now flower is ready. Rose flower is ready. So like this, some 7-8 flowers we should make for making the bouquet. Then take a green color paper for making leaves. Draw lines like this and first fold this. Fold the paper. Yes, we should cut leaves with green paper. Then take a little paper and make like a stick. Okay, for joining leaves to this. Then apply gum. Okay children, then leaves are ready. And this flower already we made, then apply on back side of the flower. Stick on it. Okay children. Okay, like this 6-7 flowers and leaves we should make like this. Okay children, like this we should make flowers with leaves. Okay, now take red color paper, cut like this shape. Okay, in this shape we should cut the paper. Then take red color paper, maroon color, then cut it into this shape. Okay, now one by one flowers we should decorate inside it. Children, we should decorate all the flowers like this. Okay, without moving, so we have to stick with the tape. Okay, then flowers don't move. Then fold the paper like this and tie with the ribbon. Okay children, like this we should tie with the ribbon, any color ribbon. Okay, now flower bouquet is ready. Children, is it nice? Happy New Year!